friends, welcome to the Wednesday show. If today is your first time visiting our channel, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. Today we are going to show you a very simple tip or trick, I don't know what to call it, that will make your table saw much more useful by allowing you to cut material that otherwise you wouldn't be able to cut. Unfortunately, we cannot all afford really big table saws, and part of what we like to do in this show is show you alternative ways to use your tools so you get the maximum efficiency out of them. So without other further ado, we're going to show you this simple trick that I hope. Alright folks, here is a tip. We are all used in the way we normally use our tools, but in this case, for example, we needed to square this piece of plywood, but we could not do it the traditional way because the distance here would not allow us. We were running out of space.
Length on the guide.
And my sled is just not enough for this size piece of plywood. But nothing says you cannot do it the opposite way. So what we did, we brought it here so we have, come and show that this is very tight. This is a factory edge, so we know that this is correct, right? Mm-hmm. And then I use my push stick, and I mean it moves a little bit now, but as you can see, it is perfect there, and it's perfect there. Can you hit both lines? Mm-hmm. There is nothing to say that you have to do things the traditional way. Creativity sometimes overcomes. It would be nice if we had a much bigger table saw, but we don't. And I'm not going to go and buy a table saw for this project right now, and neither would you. So if you have a smaller table saw, sometimes just rotating the way you're taught to do things allows you to do it safely. I mean, this was a very safe cut. We just finished it. Mm-hmm. We did not feel in danger, and it gave us a perfect 90-degree angle. Okay. Friends, I hope you enjoyed that short tip and that you will be able to use it in your own shop. Again, thank you for watching and supporting our channel. We'll continue to grow, and we'll continue to grow a community. We enjoy reading all your comments, and we read all your comments, and to the best of our ability, we do respond to every comment we read. We do try to make our videos kind of humorous and comedy because we feel that makes for a better product. Thank you for visiting and enjoying our channel, and look around for all of our other videos. I'm confident you will find something you will enjoy. If you did like this specific episode, please smash that like button and press the little bell so you're notified every time we do a new episode. If you did not, the other button works as well. Please share our videos, subscribe if you have not done so, and leave us a comment. From the Grasswood Worker and
Orpida,
have a great week, and we are going to see you Sunday with another build.